Hello, good morning, my dear students. For today, we're gonna change the activities related with the grammar section. We are gonna to jump to the page 108, and we're gonna see part B, the reading section, right, or the conversation and suggestions, interaction or suggestions, right? You are gonna to answer these questions. What do you like to do on weekend, right? And who do you usually spend the weekends with? Right? In this case, and how do you decide what to do? How do you decide what to do, right? It means, what do you do on weekends, right? Who do you usually spend with? ¿Con quién ustedes usualmente pasan? And how do you decide what to do? Activities related with the weekend. You are going to answer these three questions, right? And you are going to share into the WhatsApp group, right? These answers, right? Later, we are going to listen this conversation, right? Pay attention to that. Listen to the conversation, what to decide to do on weekends. Then we are going to practice, right? Let me see. Pay attention to that.
Any suggestions? Page 108. Exercise 1. Interactions. Suggestions. Part B.
What do you want to do this weekend?
I don't really know. Do you have any suggestions?
Well, there's an outdoor movie in the park, a food festival, and a karaoke contest.
I hate karaoke. And we went to the movies last week.
Let's go to the food festival.
Okay, that sounds good. Have you ever been to one?
No, but it sounds like a lot of fun.
Okay. What do you have to do? Sorry, what are you gonna to do in the next activity? You are gonna to record into Vocaro, or you can use your cell phone, and you are gonna to record the conversation. And of course, you are gonna to share this conversation voice. You are gonna recording, van a grabar sus voces in pairs, in pairs. Try to use what I hope to tell you, try to use the partner in order to make this conversation, right? Por favor, con sus partners, practiquen esa conversation y realízanla, please. You can do what else, in a breakout room, or you can use the cell phones, right? It depends on you. Now, let's gonna to move. Once you finish doing that, vamos a ver lo que es estas listening expressions related with the practice in asking for suggestion and giving for a suggestion, right? Please pay attention to that.
Part C. Asking for suggestions.
Do you have any suggestions? What do you suggest? Any suggestions?
Giving a suggestion.
Let's go to the food festival. Why don't we go to the food festival? We could go to the food festival.
Okay, in these expressions you have to use in order to add into your conversation, right? Now, we are gonna to number the sentence from 1 to 8, and you are gonna to order which one is a sentence number 1, 2, and 3 until the number 8, right? And of course, you are gonna to organize, and you are gonna to share into the WhatsApp, right? Please, I'm gonna stay waiting for your answers, please, my dear students. Later, what we are gonna do? Later, we are gonna to change, or we are gonna to do another activity related with that. The activity for you is gonna be the next. Let me see. You are gonna to do the next activity. You are gonna to work in the conversation that is for tomorrow, but today you are gonna to work in the conversation, right? But in this case, what is the activity that you have to perform for today? Let me see. A speaking section, right? What your favorite movie and song? In this case, you are gonna to talk about your movie or related with a song, right? But you are gonna to follow this structure, yeah? For example, you're gonna say my favorite movie is the last movie about Jurassic World. It's about dinosaurs that are brought to life in the present and but suddenly gets off control. Right? You give me a short summary related with that movie. Later, in answer number two, moreover, it was directed by Gardner Edwards. You are going to talk about related with the director and the how was this movie given to the public, la fecha que fue dada, right? Presentada, and the premiere was in July 25, 2026. I would like to watch that movie in 3D this weekend because I think it will be amazing, good, and fascinating. You have to use the adjectives in order to describe it. That also in the answer, in the same answer, you are gonna to use the what else the type of movies. I love science fiction movie. They are the best. When number four, when I don't have anything to do, I usually call my friends and together I decided to what to do in instant. We watch movies and playing cards or video games, right? You are gonna to decide or you are gonna to change the activity. Van ustedes a cambiar la actividad, no solamente van a coger y copiar, please. Also, in answer, sorry, in answer number five, I decide what because I know it's much better than the sleep. También ustedes van a poner lo que es una opinion and idea related that, right? In this document, I give you the example, please. Also, cuando terminan de hacer, once you finish to do that, cuando terminan de hacer, o les voy a dar una alternative, right? Pueden ustedes grabar esta conversation individual, right? It's okay. Pero pueden también, another alternative, you can interpret a song. Interpret a song of your preference. Pero pueden también interpretar una canción de su preferencia, porque esta unique is related with the entertainment, right? Pueden ustedes cantar, I don't know, whatever song that would you like, right? Pero no solamente, yo no quiero que solamente estén ustedes leyendo aquí, right? Y cantando. Ustedes tienen que memorize this song. O si no, pues también pueden hacer esta conversation. Pero esta conversation, ustedes mismos realize, dense cuenta. Si ustedes hacen lento, no. Obviamente, obviously, van a tener una low grade, van a tener una nota baja, please. Entonces, yo no quiero que hagan lo más rápido posible en esta parte. My favorite movie is the last movie about Jurassic World. It's about the dinosaur that brought the life in the present and suddenly what gets off control, right? Tienen que ser más rápido. Pero si ustedes mismos revisan sus audios, revisan everything y ven que ustedes que está lento, no. En esa situación, por favor, necesito que ustedes interpreten una canción of your preference, right? Cualquier canción, pero no leyendo, sí, por favor, pero cantando así como algunos de ustedes presentan lo que es las songs, las lyrics para mejorar sus grades, ustedes presentan cantando, right? Please. And that's all. Entonces, go back. Let's gonna go back to the activities that we're gonna do for today. ¿Cuáles son las activities que tenemos que hacer aquí hoy día? Vamos a hacer lo que es any suggestions. Let's gonna listen the interaction suggestions, right? The conversation. Ustedes me van a enviar lo que es la conversation record. También me van a enviar lo que es estas three questions. What do you like to do on weekends? Who do you usually spend with the weekend or with, right? You are gonna to do that. How do you decide what to do, please, my dear students? Later, you are gonna to take in consideration these expressions in order to include in the conversation. And of course, the party, you are gonna to organize this activity. Once you finish doing that, me envían eso, lo que es al WhatsApp, por favor. Todos los que estén haciendo esa activity, me envían lo que es los 40 WhatsApps, entonces pasamos a la siguiente actividad. Primero va a ser esto, las questions, después las grabaciones de sus voces en de la conversation y al final, please, you are gonna to organize the sentence. Una vez que terminen haciendo de organize esto, that activity, please, you are gonna to develop this. What's your favorite movie or music? Por favor, seguir este pattern. Este pattern no quiere decir que copien lo mismo y cambien lo que es datos. Por favor, espero su creativity. Y si no, perdón, sorry. Y si ustedes desean, pueden grabar esto, pero lo más rápido posible. Si lo hacen rápido, rápido, perfect. Obviamente tienen su nota de 20, de 20 points. Pero si lo hacen lento, sorry. Ustedes, por favor, dense cuenta, realize. Entonces ustedes van a interpretar una canción de su preference, right? Pero cantando, o sea, obviamente que se sepan la lyrics, right? Entonces, eso, por favor, my dear students, estoy con ustedes, voy a estar todo el momento connected, right? And if you have any question, any suggestion, let me know into the WhatsApp group or let me know into the Zoom because I'm gonna connect it to the Zoom, right? Okay. For today, it's gonna be that's all. Tomorrow we're gonna to work in the grammar section, right? Thank you so much, my dear students.